Hello. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll think about it. But I know one thing. Let me try out my new charger. I just got it. Yeah. Okay, so I got it. There. Here it is. Yeah. Let me just move it a little bit more. Hello. This is the charger. Okay. I don't know how to use it. How to use it? Now I'm gonna go get Pikachu and ask how to use it. First, I need to go find him. I wonder where he actually is. Yeah. Pikachu? Pikachu? Oh, well, somebody's here. Oh, hi. Hello. I don't know my name anyway, so what's your name? My name's Squirtle. That's cool. Oh wait, how did I do that? It's called farting. Okay, now, how do you use a charger? Oh, that's easy. You just do this. Yeah. Oh. Okay, well, I got it to work. Oh, are you okay? Yes, I think I just got... Oh, I don't think it's meant for this. Let me go get it. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Get out of here. Well, that wasn't really helpful. Now what am I going to do? Maybe I can get a new charger that I know how to use. I don't know how to use this. I think it's probably broken. Let me plug it in. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm going to go get a new one. Let's go. Okay, well, I'm at the store. Oh, wait. Got one thing. We need this person. I'm going to go grab him. Oh, yes. Hello, sir. I was just napping. After you ruined it. Well, don't you work here? Oh, yes, I work here. Now, what do you want? You work here, right? Yeah, what do you want? A new charger. What chargers? You know, like the plugs, whatever they are called. Well, we don't have whatever they're called. They're called plugs, is what you're trying to say? I don't know. Just follow me. Okay, well, I'm here. I wonder what he's talking about. Okay, well, I'm here. So, I think this is what a plug is. That. Oh, those. I know what they're at. Okay, well, we're here. Oh. Okay, so what you wanted again? A plug, I think. Oh, okay. Well, do you want one of these? Am I saying this correctly? But what is this? Is this even a plug? Oh, that. Let me take that out. No. No, wait. I want it. You do? Let me get it out. Well, I guess he's falling asleep. Maybe I could just take this. Whatever it is. I have to see if it works. Yeah. Well, I guess it kind of works. Yeah. Okay, well, excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, by the way, my name is John Cena. My Tom was back. Nobody can get me because my Tom was back. Okay. Okay, do you want the plug or whatnot? Yeah, I want, yes, I want the plug. Okay, well, go pick one. I'm gonna go to bed. Oh. Wait, what did you say? I said go and pick one while I go to sleep. Okay. Which one do I want? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catcher's foot, poop, toes. Stupid, pooped, copper, slow. You are the best choice of my stinky foot of the big pig. Okay, well, I guess I'm getting this one. Oh, wait, I still have to go. And the water in the sea. Now I got to know what they say to me and the sea to you. Okay, well, I guess it's this one. Okay, well, I'm gonna go tell them I got this one. Oh, yeah, what? This is the one I picked out. Oh, that? Sure. What is this thing? What is this thing? Are we being cameraed? Yes. I'm actually filming. Not that. Well, I can pay him this ice cream. Here you go, sir. Oh, okay, thanks. Now, just keep it. And thanks for the change. Oh, I guess I got to check out my new charger. Now, get out of here. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let's see if this one works. Oh no, I have to sell it real quick. Well, I'm back here, and I forgot it. I have a better idea. Maybe I can go smash it with this spoon. Okay, smash it, spoon. Yeah. What's this? Wait, what? This is a magical plug? Yeah. Guess it's not breaking. Let me get the spoon away. It'll be fine. Okay, well, guess it works. I don't know how I'm gonna use it. Fine. I'll just use my charger. This one. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's the other way. Wait a minute. I just spit my ice cream on him. No, wait, John Cena. Oh, yeah, I can eat my ice cream. Well, that was delicious ice cream. I don't know, I ate some for like 5 seconds. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And anyways, we'll probably make a part 2. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. One more thing. It's me, guys. This is the new channel. I hope you guys subscribe and give a like. And have a wonderful day. Okay? And please let us know in the comment below what your favorite place is to go. Okay, bye.